In this video we will learn offset entities. The Offset Entities tool is used to sketch entities parallel to an existing entity. There is a line. Say we wish to draw a line parallel to the existing line at some distance away. Click the Offset Entities tool. Specify the offset distance. Click the existing line. A preview will appear. In this example, the offset line is initially located below the original line. If you want to locate offset line above the original line, then check the reverse box. If offset line required to both sides, then check the bidirectional box. If rounded shape at the end of lines required, then check the cap box, and if straight required, then click lines. If offset rectangle is required, then check the select chain box. To make base or offset geometry construction, check the respective box. Construction lines used for dimensioning or referencing. If you want offset dimension will automatically added to the sketch, then check the Add Dimension box. Click the green OK check mark. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.